A very good morning to all. Welcome back to the English class. Students, we are learning about the great banyan tree. So, in the last video, we have completed some part of this lesson, right? That when Sam and his uncle come to the center of the garden, Sam sees a big tree with long thin threads hanging down from its branches. Right? So students, up to here we have seen in the last video. Now let's have a look of the next part of this lesson. Right? Uncle, what are those long thin threads hanging down from the tree? I ask. My uncle points to them and says, those are the new roots. They will soon reach the ground and go into the soil. They will then become new trunks. Right? So, when Sam reaches near the tree, he sees long thin threads. So, he asks his uncle about it, that what are those long thin threads hanging down from the tree? His uncle replies him that those are new roots which will soon reach the ground and become new trunks. Right? These are, you can see in this picture, these are new roots. Right? Then suddenly I notice some children playing around the tree. Oh, look at those children. They are hanging from those roots. They are having so much fun, I say excitedly. Students, you can see in this picture, right? Sam sees some children hanging from the roots and enjoying very much on it. Then the bird and some monkeys are also eating red color fruits and enjoying on the branches. Right? Then Sam's uncle says, do you know, Sam, this tree is more than 250 years old. That makes it one of the oldest trees in India. That makes it one of the oldest tree in India, says uncle. Come, give this old tree a big hug before we leave, says uncle. He picks me up and puts me on a low branch. So, Sam's uncle is giving more information about the banyan tree, that how old the tree is. He says it is about more than 250 years old and it is one of the oldest tree in India. Then Sam gives a big hug as a respect to the tree before they leave. Then, I have never seen such an old tree, I say. Thank you for bringing me to the park, uncle. I learned so much about the great banyan tree today. So, Sam says he is very happy to see the park and oldest banyan tree because now he has learned so much about the great banyan tree. Right? So students, in this way, Sam's uncle had described about the botanical garden and the great banyan tree, and Sam was very thankful for getting more information about it. Understood? I hope you have understood. In this way, we have completed our lesson today. So, we will meet again with a new topic. Till then, you people have a fun. Bye bye. Thank you.